Hello, beauties, divas, besties. We coming to you today with another hair review. And the company that I'll be collabing with today is Fashion Lady. And I'll give you a couple of details on this hair, which is a long, wavy, highlighted color hair wig for women, 26 inches body wave, synthetic wig middle part, highlight, curly wigs, natural looking synthetic wig, heat resistant fiber hair for daily use. Also, you guys, this hair is 21-24. It also comes in different colors, which is highlight, black, and ombre. Beautiful colors. So you guys enjoy the rest of the unboxing of the hair, and I'll be back. So I am back, you guys. I hope that gave you guys enough time to like, comment, and also hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you know the next time your girl posts. So as you will see in these clips, these will be clips on me installing this hair. Also, we're gonna jump straight into it, you guys. Y'all know I like to get straight to the point on units. Good affordable units. You guys will get a lot of different showings of hairs, beauty on a budget, different colors, different lengths, different styles of hair from different companies, and everything will be in the description boxes below. So please don't forget to check that, and also stay to the end of the video, you guys, so you guys can see. So I have been waiting to do one of these videos for a while, just like the transformation between going from when you first get your hair to a couple of days or a month or whatever, but mine's exactly was a couple of days or 3 or 4 days that I have been wearing this unit. So I wanted to just like do one of these videos, like a before and an after. Let's get to it. So you guys, this is the ending result. This is what you guys have. This is what you get after you install it. It did check for the length check, you guys. So it came to the length that it needed to come with the texture and the pattern of the hair. I was trying to get those words out right. Okay, with the pattern of the hair. So I give it that length check. So it hit the 26 mark. So I'm about 5'4", 5'5", so that's where it will come if you do purchase this unit. So what I wanted to do when I wanted to do this video as far as a before and after, and just like tell my experience on working with synthetic wigs and things like that. I enjoyed working with this company, y'all. When you first open this pack, this is some beautiful hair. It is. I like the texture. I like the way it felt to be a synthetic wig. Now, a lot of us think when we get synthetic wigs, we are about to get some human hair supposed to last forever. No. I am here to tell you, no, it's not going to last forever, even though sometimes in our heads we want it to. It does not. This unit, you guys, when you first get it, you have some pretty hair. It's always like you like it. Sometimes, you know, because if you go back and watch one of those previous videos of mine, you will see. So, but I want to give you guys an honest review on each unit that I do. So if you guys decide to purchase it, you won't say, that girl told me on YouTube. Kanita, no. So when I'm bringing it to you, I'm bringing you the tea, honey. So not saying I do not want you guys not to get anything. I will tell you though, I will tell you. But I want you guys to get an honest review on what you will be receiving. So when you guys open this package, you will get some pretty hair. But you guys, think about it. This hair is $23. It is a synthetic unit. It will not last forever. So I just say with units like this, you give them some TLC. It's not a lay down and you can comb it and brush it all day long. No, it's not one of those units. It's made to me for that day event, you know, and you put it back up until you are about to wear it again, because that's how sometimes you have to treat certain units. When you think you're paying $23.24 for a unit, you think about that and you think about those qualities of the things that you can get throughout this unit. So when you get a unit like this, you take care of it. You do not wear it to sleep. You don't do those unnecessary things that you would do if it's a human hair wig. You have to take care and give it some TLC and some love, baby. That's what you have to get when you have these units. So I did enjoy this. I didn't have to, I didn't put any heat to this. Let's say that. I didn't put any heat to this. So with me not putting any heat to it, I didn't do anything else to it but install it. After a couple of days, this is how the unit looked. And I did get some shedding and I did get some tangling. It wasn't all out of the way bad, like, oh my gosh, this is just, it wasn't like that, but I did receive some tangles and I did receive some shedding. I will show you the shedding that I received. It wasn't shedding like everywhere and all over the pillowcase or anything like that. It just shedded like if I brushed it or I put my fingers through it and if it got a tangle. So one of those type of moments. But as you guys can see, you work your way from the bottom and go to the top with these type of units, and it still comes out and it still holds its natural body form, and it becomes still a pretty wig that you can wear. And if you brush it, put it up and take care of it, you can wear it to certain events at certain times. Only with TLC, you guys, or with that one day wear. That's this type of unit. And as you guys can see, I'm just brushing it and showing you guys the pattern that it's going to be after I have worn it for a couple of days. Because just know, bestie, I'm going to give you the truth and the honesty of it. And I still enjoyed this unit even after I brushed it, even through the tangles and the little shedding that I did expect already. It was still pretty. So you guys will see that coming up. So you just guys have to put a lot of those things in thought. Not ever to look, see, just a little of shedding, not nothing too much out of the way, which this is expected from a synthetic wig. So like I say, you guys just give it a little tender love and care, and it will do as you need it to do for that moment. It's a beautiful unit for the price, very affordable. So you will see different things on my page where you can see affordable, you can see something that I really want, a different price. So just continue to watch these reviews. If you are ever interested, just don't ever forget to look in the description box, because everything that I use or a company that I work with or so on and so on, it will be in that description box below. So make sure you always check that. And you see this, guys? That pattern popped right back after I brushed it. And it still is a pretty unit, especially for the price that it is. So I just wanted to give you guys the things to expect from it before you get it. You guys can enjoy it. And you know, let me know what you think if you got one. Try one of those colors and come back and under this video put in the comments, girl, I tried this unit and I liked it. And you know, just tell me your thoughts and your feelings on it. Y'all let me know what you guys thought of this video. Tell me if there's anything else that you would like to know, or a hairstyle or wig color that you want me to try. Y'all make sure y'all put that in the comments. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I enjoyed talking to you guys. Thank you guys for watching till the end, sticking it through with your girl. Send your families to my YouTube page, you guys. Let them, tell them y'all she got the tea. Subscribe to her page. Subscribe to her page and hit that notification bell so you know when your girl is posting. Y'all let me stop. But thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys for just going along this journey with me. I didn't, you know, expect this, but you know, things work the way they need to work. I hope you guys enjoy. Continue to watch the end of the video. I love you guys. Until the next video.